Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to dropship Taobao products on Shopify. So we are going to use the CJ dropshipping. So if you want to sell Taobao products on your Shopify store, in this video, I am going to show it step by step. So here we are going to begin with this website, the Taobao. And then you need to go to CJ Dropshipping and sign up for a free account. So the CJ connects you with Taobao products and handles sourcing, warehousing, and shipping for your orders. And then once you are in your CJ dashboard, you can go to here. So you can choose the Shopify here. And then now you use CJ's search bar to look for Taobao-based products. You can also paste links from Taobao and CJ will help source that product for you. And once you've found a product, you just need to click list, choose your Shopify store, then edit the product details, set your selling price, and push it to your store. And that's all. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!